Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Solihin from 401 and today I'm gonna do a short unboxing video about my brand new watch. So this is the packaging. As you can see, it is made from leather. It has smooth surface and is very light. So without wasting much time, I'm gonna wear it. So I bought this watch for 160 ringgit from Shopee for my birthday gift, and I think is worth it. I recommend you to buy this product because they provide various types of watch with many appealing designs for both genders. Either you are a boy, man, or woman. This brand offers many types of watch that suits your personality. That's all from me. Hope you love my review video. Thank you and bye.